We will learn words starting with C in this video. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share this video, and please subscribe to the channel for more such content. So let's start. Cadet. Cadet means military trainee, as at a military academy. Cajole. Cajole means to influence or urge by gentle urging, caressing, or flattering. Calamity. Calamity means an event resulting in great loss and misfortune. Calibrate. Calibrate means to make fine adjustments for optimal functioning. Calligraphy. Calligraphy means artistic, stylized, or elegant handwriting or lettering. Callous. Callous means emotionally hardened, unfeeling, insensitive. Camaraderie. Camaraderie means goodwill between friends. Camouflage. Camouflage means make invisible by means of protective coloring or garments. Campaign. Campaign means a connected series of operations designed to bring about a particular result. Candidate. Candidate means one that aspires to or is nominated or qualified for an office, membership, or award. Candor. Candor means sincerity, openness. Cantankerous. Cantankerous means difficult or irritating to deal with. Canvas. Canvas means heavy, closely woven fabric. Capacity. Capacity means the potential or suitability for holding, storing, or accommodating. Capitalism. Capitalism means an economic system characterized by private or corporate ownership of capital goods. Capricious. Capricious means impulsive and unpredictable. Capsule. Capsule means a spacecraft designed to transport people and support human life in outer space. Caption. Caption means a brief description accompanying an illustration. Captivate. Captivate means to attract, to cause to be enamored. Capture. Capture means to succeed in representing or expressing something intangible. Cardiologist. Cardiologist means a physician who specializes in the study of the heart and its actions and diseases. Carefree. Carefree means having no worries or troubles. Caricature. Caricature means exaggeration, often by means of ludicrous distortion of parts or characteristics. Carnivorous. Carnivorous means meat eating, dependent on the consumption of flesh for sustenance. Carouse. Carouse means to engage in boisterous, drunken merrymaking. Carping. Carping means querulous and often perverse criticism, fault-finding. Cartographer. Cartographer means one who makes charts or maps. Cartography. Cartography means the science or art of making maps. Carving. Carving means cutting away parts to create a desired shape. Cascade. Cascade means falling or rushing forth in quantity. Cast. Cast means the set of actors, singers, and/or dancers in a dramatic production. Catalogue. Catalogue means a complete list of things, usually arranged systematically. Catalyst. Catalyst means something that causes an important event to happen. Catalyze. Catalyze means to change by catalysis or cause to catalyze. Catapult. Catapult means to shoot forth or launch. Catastrophe. Catastrophe means an event resulting in great loss and misfortune. Cater. Cater means to supply what is required or desired. Cathartic. Cathartic means emotionally purging. Caustic. Caustic means burning, corrosive. Cavities. Cavities means unfilled spaces within a mass, hollowed out spaces. Cease. Cease means to bring an activity or action to an end. Celebration. Celebration means an occasion for special festivities to mark some happy event. Cell. Cell means a room where a prisoner is kept. Cellular. Cellular means of relating to or consisting of cells. Censorship. Censorship means the act of deleting anything considered objectionable. Censure. Censure means harsh criticism or disapproval. Central. Central means in the middle of importance. Centuries. Centuries means periods of 100 years. Cerebral. Cerebral means involving intelligence rather than emotions or instinct. Certitude. Certitude means the state of being or feeling certain. Champion. Champion means a militant advocate or defender or a winner, one who shows marked superiority. Chaotic. Chaotic means lacking a visible order or organization, unpredictable and confusing. Chapped. Chapped means roughened, reddened, or cracked as a result of cold or exposure. Character. Character means one of the attributes that distinguish an individual, moral excellence or firmness. Characterize. Characterize means to describe the character or quality of, distinguish. Charitable. Charitable means full of love for and goodwill toward others, benevolent, generous. Charlatan. Charlatan means a flamboyant deceiver, one who attracts customers with tricks or jokes. Cherish. Cherish means to hold dear, to feel or show deep affection for. Child. Child means rearing, the act of raising or bringing up children. Chisel. Chisel means a hand tool with a flat steel blade with a cutting edge, carved with a chisel. Choreography. Choreography means the design or arrangement of a staged dance. Chorus. Chorus means an organized company of singers who perform in concert. Chronicle. Chronicle means a usually continuous, historical account of events arranged in order of time. Chronicler. Chronicler means a recorder of events in the order of time, a historian. Chronology. Chronology means arrangement of events in time. Circumscribe. Circumscribe means to enclose within a certain limit. Circuitous. Circuitous means marked by obliqueness or indirection in speech or conduct. Circulate. Circulate means to follow a course that returns to the starting point. Circulation. Circulation means passage or transmission from person to person or place to place. Circumlocution. Circumlocution means indirect expression, evasion of speech. Circumvented. Circumvented means evaded, found a way around. Cite. Cite means to quote by way of example, authority, or proof. Citizenry. Citizenry means total inhabitants of a city or town. Civic. Civic means of or relating to a citizen, a city, citizenship, or civil affairs. Civil. Civil means relating to private rights and to remedies sought by action or suit distinct from criminal proceedings. Civilizations. Civilizations means relatively high levels of cultural and technological development. Claim. Claim means a demand for something due or believed to be due. Clairvoyant. Clairvoyant means perceiving things beyond the natural range of the senses, foreseeing the future. Clamoring. Clamoring means becoming loudly insistent, making a din. Clandestine. Clandestine means conducted with or marked by hidden aims or methods. Clarity. Clarity means the state of being easily understood, comprehensibility, clear expression. Clash. Clash means to come into conflict. Clause. Clause means a separate section of a discourse or writing. Clergy. Clergy means the body of men set apart, by due ordination, to the service of God. Cliché. Cliché means a trite or obvious remark. Clientele. Clientele means customers. Cling. Cling means to hold or hold on tightly or tenaciously. Cloud. Cloud means to envelop or hide with or as if with a cloud. Cloying. Cloying means overly sweet. Coagulation. Coagulation means the process by which a liquid forms into a semi-solid mass. Cobbler. Cobbler means a person who makes or repairs shoes. Condemn. Condemn means to express strong disapproval of. Cogent. Cogent means convincing, reasonable. Cognizant. Cognizant means having knowledge or understanding, mindful, aware. Coherent. Coherent means logically or aesthetically ordered or integrated. Cohesion. Cohesion means the act or state of sticking together tightly, unity. Cohesive. Cohesive means well integrated, unified. Cohesiveness. Cohesiveness means the act or state of sticking together tightly. Coiled. Coiled means cylindrically or spirally wound. Coinage. Coinage means the act or process of coining. Coinciding. Coinciding means corresponding exactly, matching point for point. Coining. Coining means bringing into existence, creating. Collaborate. Collaborate means to work together on a common enterprise or project. Collage. Collage means artistic composition, made of material such as paper or photographs, combined on a picture surface. Collapse. Collapse means an abrupt failure of function or health. Colleague. Colleague means an associate in a profession or in a civil or ecclesiastical office. Collective. Collective means of or from several or many individuals, common. Colloquial. Colloquial means characteristic of informal spoken language or conversation. Collusion. Collusion means secret agreement or cooperation, especially for an illegal or deceitful purpose. Colonial. Colonial means of, relating to, characteristic of, or inhabiting a colony. Column. Column means a newspaper or magazine article giving opinions or perspectives. Combat. Combat means an engagement fought between two military forces, to fight. Combustible. Combustible means capable of igniting and burning. Combustion. Combustion means a process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give heat and light. Comedian. Comedian means a professional entertainer who uses any of various physical or verbal means to be amusing. Commandeered. Commandeered means taken arbitrary or forcible possession of. Commencement. Commencement means an academic exercise in which diplomas are conferred. Commendation. Commendation means the act of praising. Commentary. Commentary means something that serves for illustration or explanation. Comments. Comments means observations or remarks expressing opinions or attitudes. Commercial. Commercial means connected with, engaged in, sponsored by, or used in commerce or business enterprises. Commission. Commission means to appoint or assign to a task or function. Commodity. Commodity means an economic good as a product of agriculture or mining. Common sense. Common sense means sound and prudent but often unsophisticated judgment. Comparable. Comparable means similar, like. Comparisons. Comparisons means examinations of two or more items to establish similarities and dissimilarities. Compassion. Compassion means a deep awareness of and sympathy for another, a circumflex euro as suffering. Compatibility. Compatibility means capable of existing together in harmony. Compelled. Compelled means driven or urged forcefully or irresistibly. Compelling. Compelling means forceful, urgently demanding attention. Compensate. Compensate means to make up for, to counterbalance, to recompense. Competent. Competent means properly or sufficiently qualified, capable or efficient, adequate for the purpose. Competition. Competition means a contest between rivals. Competitive. Competitive means inclined, desiring, or suited to rivalry. Competitiveness. Competitiveness means an aggressive willingness to compete. Competitor. Competitor means a rival, one who competes. Complacent. Complacent means contented to a fault. Complacent. Complacent means showing a cheerful willingness to please or oblige. Complement. Complement means the quantity or number required to make a thing complete. Completion. Completion means the act of becoming or making complete, a concluding action. Complex. Complex means a whole made up of complicated or interrelated parts. Complexity. Complexity means the quality of being intricate and compounded. Compliance. Compliance means acting according to certain accepted standards. Complicity. Complicity means guilt as an accomplice in a crime or offense. Components. Components means individual parts which make up a system. Compose. Compose means to form by putting together. Composer. Composer means a person who writes music. Composition. Composition means a written piece of music. Compound. Compound means to make more intense, stronger, or more marked. Comprehensible. Comprehensible means capable of being understood or interpreted. Comprehensive. Comprehensive means including all or everything, broad in scope. Compressible. Compressible means capable of being reduced in size or volume. Compromise. Compromise means a settlement of differences by arbitration or by consent reached by mutual concessions. Comrade. Comrade means an intimate friend or associate, a companion, a fellow soldier. Concealment. Concealment means the activity of keeping something secret. Conceivable. Conceivable means possible to conceive or imagine. Conceive. Conceive means to form a conception of, to image. Concept. Concept means something conceived in the mind, a thought or notion. Concerns. Concerns means as a care, trouble, or distress to. Concession. Concession means the admitting of a point claimed in argument. Concessions. Concessions means acknowledgements, admissions. Conciliatory. Conciliatory means making or willing to make concessions. Concise. Concise means expressing much in a few words, condensed, brief and compacted. Conclusion. Conclusion means a position or opinion or judgment reached after consideration. Conclusive. Conclusive means putting an end to debate or question, especially by reason of irrefutability. Concocted. Concocted means devised, made up, contrived, planned, plotted. Concrete. Concrete means a hard, strong building material made by mixing a cementing material and a mineral aggregate, solid, definite. Condemn. Condemn means to pronounce guilty. Condemning. Condemning means declaring to be reprehensible, wrong, or evil. Condense. Condense means compress or concentrate. Condescending. Condescending means assuming an air of superiority, patronizing. Condolence. Condolence means an expression of sympathy with another, a circumflex euro grief. Conducive. Conducive means tending to promote or assist. Conduct. Conduct means behavior, manner of acting. Conductor. Conductor means leader of a musical ensemble, a substance that readily channels or transmits electricity, heat, or sound. Conduit. Conduit means a passage for water or other fluids. Confection. Confection means a food rich in sugar. Confer. Confer means to compare views or take counsel. Conference. Conference means a meeting for consultation, discussion, or an interchange of opinions. Confident. Confident means one to whom secrets are entrusted. Confidence. Confidence means freedom from doubt, belief in one a circumflex euro s self and one a circumflex euro s abilities. Confidential. Confidential means marked by intimacy or willingness to confide. Confidentiality. Confidentiality means discretion in keeping secret information. Confines. Confines means things, as borders or walls, that enclose. Confirming. Confirming means giving new assurance of the truth of, rendering certain. Conflagration. Conflagration means conflict. Conflict. Conflict means struggle resulting from incompatible or opposing needs or wishes. Conflicting. Conflicting means being in opposition, incompatible. Conform. Conform means to be obedient or compliant. Conformist. Conformist means a person who acts in accordance with an established practice. Conformity. Conformity means acting according to certain accepted standards. Confrontation. Confrontation means the clashing of forces or ideas. Congregation. Congregation means an assembly of people, one that meets for worship and religious instruction. Connection. Connection means causal or logical relation. Connotation. Connotation means something suggested by a word or thing, implication. Conquer. Conquer means to gain mastery over or win by overcoming obstacles or opposition. Conquered. Conquered means overcome by force of arms, defeated. Conscious. Conscious means perceiving, apprehending, or noticing. Consciously. Consciously means knowingly, willfully, perceptively. Consciousness. Consciousness means the quality or state of being aware, especially of something within oneself. Consensus. Consensus means agreement of the majority in sentiment or belief. Consequence. Consequence means the result of an action, a conclusion derived through logic. Consequential. Consequential means meaningful, momentous, important. Conservatism. Conservatism means the act of preserving, guarding, or protecting. Conservative. Conservative means tending or disposed to maintain existing views, conditions, or institutions. Considerations. Considerations means matter taken into account when making decisions. Consistency. Consistency means firmness of constitution or character. Consistent. Consistent means marked by harmony, regularity, or steady continuity. Consolation. Consolation means the act of consoling, giving relief in affliction. Conspire. Conspire means to join in a secret agreement to do an unlawful or wrongful act. Constancy. Constancy means the quality of being free from change or variation. Constellations. Constellations means clusters or groups of fixed stars. Consternation. Consternation means bewilderment or dismay that throws one into confusion. Constituent. Constituent means one of a group who elects another to represent him or her in public office. Constitutes. Constitutes means forms or composes. Constricted. Constricted means made narrow or drawn together. Consumerism. Consumerism means a preoccupation with and an inclination toward the buying of consumer goods. Consumer. Consumer means a person who uses goods or services. Consummate. Consummate means having or revealing supreme mastery or skill. Consumption. Consumption means the utilization of economic goods in the satisfaction of needs or in manufacturing. Contagious. Contagious means easily diffused or spread as from one person to another. Contaminate. Contaminate means to make impure, to pollute, to infect. Contaminated. Contaminated means soiled, stained, corrupted, or infected by contact or association. Contemplate. Contemplate means to view or consider with continued attention. Contemporaneous. Contemporaneous means existing, occurring, or originating during the same time. Contemporaries. Contemporaries means all the people living at the same time or of approximately the same age. Contemporary. Contemporary means characteristic of the present, a person of nearly the same age as another. Contempt. Contempt means lack of respect accompanied by a feeling of intense dislike. Contemptuous. Contemptuous means manifesting or expressing contempt or disdain. Contending. Contending means striving or struggling in rivalry or battle. Contentiousness. Contentiousness means a disposition to fight, quarrelsomeness. Contentment. Contentment means the state of being contented or satisfied. Contestant. Contestant means one that participates in a contest. Context. Context means the set of facts or circumstances that surround a situation or event. Contradict. Contradict means to assert the contrary of, to take issue with. Contradiction. Contradiction means a statement or phrase that asserts or implies both the truth and falsity of something. Contradictory. Contradictory means unable to both be true at the same time. Contrary. Contrary means a fact or condition incompatible with another, opposite. Contrast. Contrast means to compare or appraise in respect to differences. Contribute. Contribute means to give or supply in common with others. Contribution. Contribution means act of giving in common with others for a common purpose. Contrite. Contrite means feeling or expressing pain or sorrow for sins or offenses. Controversial. Controversial means marked by or capable of arousing debate. Controversy. Controversy means a discussion marked especially by the expression of opposing views. Conundrum. Conundrum means a difficult problem. Convene. Convene means to come together. Convention. Convention means general agreement or concurrence, usage or custom, especially in social matters. Conventional. Conventional means according with, sanctioned by, or based on convention, lacking originality or individuality. Convergence. Convergence means the occurrence of two or more things coming together. Converse. Converse means to engage in an interchange of thoughts and opinions. Convey. Convey means to impart or communicate by statement, suggestion, gesture, or appearance. Conviction. Conviction means an unshakable belief in something without need for proof or evidence. Convoluted. Convoluted means highly involved or intricate. Coop. Coop means a small building for housing poultry. Cooperative. Cooperative means done with or working with others for a common purpose or benefit. Copious. Copious means profuse or exuberant in words, expression, or style, plentiful in number. Cordial. Cordial means hearty, sincere, warm, affectionate. Coronation. Coronation means the ceremony of installing a new monarch. Corporate. Corporate means of or belonging to an association of employers and employees in a business or industry. Corps. Corps means military unit usually consisting of two or more divisions. Correspondence. Correspondence means communication by letters. Corroborate. Corroborate means to make strong, or to give additional strength to strengthen. Corrosive. Corrosive means destructive, weakening, bitingly sarcastic. Corrupt. Corrupt means dishonest, immoral or evasive, characterized by improper conduct or fraudulent activity. Corruption. Corruption means impairment of integrity, virtue, or moral principle. Cosmetic. Cosmetic means done or made for the sake of appearance. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan means of worldwide scope or applicability. Cost-effective. Cost-effective means economical in terms of tangible benefits produced by money spent. Counter. Counter means to act in opposition to oppose. Counteract. Counteract means to make ineffective or neutralize the usually ill effects of an opposing force. Counterintuitive. Counterintuitive means contrary to what one would immediately expect or naturally perceive. Coup. Coup means a sudden and decisive change of government, illegally or by force. Couple. Couple means to fasten together, to link. Courageously. Courageously means bravely. Course. Course means a path over which something moves. Courteously. Courteously means in a polite manner. Courtesy. Courtesy means consideration, cooperation, and generosity in providing. Coverage. Coverage means press or publicity received by a particular story or person. Cover. Cover means to overspread the surface of one thing with another. Craft. Craft means the skilled practice of an occupation or trade requiring manual dexterity or artistic skill. Craftiness. Craftiness means shrewdness as demonstrated by being skilled in deception. Crammed. Crammed means pressed, forced, or stuffed. Crass. Crass means so unrefined as to be lacking in discrimination and sensibility. Creation. Creation means something that has been brought into existence. Creativity. Creativity means the quality of being imaginative. Credulity. Credulity means tendency to believe readily. Creeds. Creeds mean sets of fundamental beliefs. Creep. Creep means to move along the ground, or on any other surface, on the belly. Crescendo. Crescendo means gradually increasing in volume. Crest. Crest means the summit of a hill or mountain ridge. Crevice. Crevice means a narrow opening resulting from a split or crack, as in a cliff. Crew. Crew means the company of seamen who man a ship or vessel. Crews. Crews means groups of people associated together in a common activity or by common traits or interests. Crib. Crib means a small, enclosed bedstead or cot for a child. Crisis. Crisis means an unstable or crucial time or state of affairs in which a decisive change is impending. Criterion. Criterion means a basis for comparison, a reference point against which other things can be evaluated. Critic. Critic means one who expresses a reasoned opinion on any matter, especially involving a judgment of its value. Critical. Critical means of, relating to, or being a turning point or especially important juncture. Criticism. Criticism means disapproval expressed by pointing out faults or shortcomings. Criticize. Criticize means to point out real or perceived flaws, to consider the merits and demerits of and judge accordingly. Critique. Critique means an essay or article that gives a critical evaluation, as of a book or play. Crop. Crop means a plant that can be grown and harvested, the annual yield of these. Crosscurrent. Crosscurrent means a conflicting tendency. Crude. Crude means conspicuously and tastelessly indecent. Crust. Crust means the hard exterior or surface of bread, in distinction from the soft part or crumb. Cryptic. Cryptic means having or seeming to have a hidden or ambiguous meaning, mysterious. Cub. Cub means the young of certain carnivorous mammals such as the bear and the lion. Cue. Cue means a stimulus that provides information about what to do. Cuisine. Cuisine means manner of preparing food, style of cooking. Culinary. Culinary means of or relating to the kitchen or cookery. Culpable. Culpable means deserving blame or censure as being wrong, evil or injurious. Cultivate. Cultivate means to prepare and or use for the raising of crops. Cultivation. Cultivation means the act of preparing the land to grow crops. Cultural. Cultural means denoting or deriving from or distinctive of the ways of living built up by a group of people. Culture. Culture means the customary beliefs, social forms, and material traits of a racial, religious, or social group. Cumbersome. Cumbersome means difficult to carry or manage due to bulk or shape. Cumulative. Cumulative means increasing by successive addition. Cunningly. Cunningly means in an artful manner. Curator. Curator means the custodian of a collection, one in charge of a museum, zoo, or other place of exhibit. Curb. Curb means an edging, as of concrete, built along a street to form part of a gutter. Curiosity. Curiosity means desire to know. Cursory. Cursory means rapidly and often superficially performed or produced. Curtail. Curtail means to diminish, to reduce. Custom. Custom means long-established practice considered as unwritten law. Cynic. Cynic means someone who is critical of the motives of others. Cynical. Cynical means contemptuously distrustful of human nature and motives. So that's it for this lesson. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.